In last video, I showed you how to use Unity Lobby to connect player to player. But actually, Unity Relay and Lobby is not free 100%, and the speed is slow. So today, I will show you how to create online game on Steam with completely free Relay and Lobby. With the ping is a lot better and very easy to use it too. All events of a game just in oneness photo only. Create new lobby in OneNote. Search lobbies with matching system in OneNote. Join in lobby. And even reconnecting in OneNote also. Support reconnecting, even host is disconnected. Next client will be a new host to connect all other players. First, make sure you updated Visual Scripting Plus to the newest version. And import all things from it to your project. After that, you will receive folder macro netcode we used in video part 1, and you receive folder macro Steam Network. Open this file to see how to use it. First, you need to install macro netcode that we already did in video part 1. In this video, you will need plugin Steamwork Facebunch to work with. You can get it free with link here, or from any link from GitHub. After download, just add it to your project and it's ready to use. After downloading, you will receive this folder. Add it into your project. Now open Macro Steam Network. Unzip this folder to get scripts to use. From this step, it will be exactly the same all steps in Unity Lobby video. After all, we need to restart Unity for all script to reload. Everything is ready now. Open Use Steam Network to get events to use. We have some instruction how to use it step by step here. It required installing netcode and Steamwork, that we did already. You need to put prefab of macro Steam Network into hierarchy to start it. This is prefab macro Steam Network. We don't need macro Unity Lobby anymore. Make sure you have macro netcode and macro Steam Network here. This is player controller that we made in video part 1. How to move player on host and client. We will not touch anything here. On macro Steam Network, this is transport used in Steam. Steam App ID is your game ID on Steam. 480 is the free game that you can use to test Steamwork functions. Open Use Steam Network. Step 1. You need to create a lobby or game room for others to join your game. There is a step 0 here. This event will sign into Steam account to get your Steam ID to use it here. It might take 1 second, and you can just ignore it if you want. I will ignore step 0 and go to create first lobby directly. Just copy to use it. First, create a new empty object. Name it Steam Manager. Add new visual scripting script with any names you like. Open it. Paste the copied event here. After clicked on button Create Lobby, let's create a lobby. Create a button click event. On pointer down for click down. Let's add button Create Lobby into. If button is clicked, a lobby will be created. Max player is the total players can join in lobby and your game. Password to join, if you want to use password. If you turn on is private box, your game room will not be showed on searching list, but player can still join in with your lobby ID. Search region for location setting. I'm in North America currently. I will enter NA. Or you can type Asia or any locations you like. This option for players in same location can match games with each other's to reduce the delay or lag between host and clients. Search lobby name can be used to look for your friends' games. Example, I will enter my name Leo Room. Add game mode if you want, free mode or ranking mode. Limit level of player can join in your room. I will give you more example later. After lobby is created successfully, let's display that lobby name, lobby ID and password to see how it works. Before to test it, let's add button to leave lobby also. Create one more button click event. Change name it button leave lobby. Open use Steam Network. Copy event leave lobby. After click button leave lobby, player will leave that lobby. Print a message left lobby after it. Press play to see how it works. Click button create lobby. A lobby was created successfully. We can do it with just one node only. Very simple, right? You can know what the lobby name, lobby ID, password and is it a private room? If you click button leave lobby, you will leave that lobby immediately. All connections between host and clients will be disconnected. Let's create another game room with some password and turn on private room. Click button create lobby again. New lobby is created. It will have another lobby ID, password, and now is private. Open use Steam Network again. Let's go to step 2. Now another player, click on button join or auto join. We need to check if he was disconnected from any game room to reconnect him back to that game. I will ignore and do it later. Instead of that, let's search available lobbies to join in. Let's copy this event to use. Open our script. Paste copied event here. Create click event for button join. I created button join lobby already. After button join lobby is clicked, it will do search all lobbies that player can join. Max result is total lobbies you can get on the list. With region is the filter to match your location. In step 1, I created my lobby in NA for people North America to join in. To be able to find my lobby, it should search for NA region only. Type lobby name to find lobbies with this name only. This matching system is so simple to use. I will show you with test later. After it's done, you will have all available lobbies that you can join in. If the lobbies are found, the number lobbies will be greater than 0. Let's print the number of found lobbies to debug log to see the result. If found lobbies greater than 0, let's join in one of those lobbies. This is my first Steam account on the first PC. And this is my second Steam account on second PC. You will need 2 separate PC to be able to test multiplayer game on Steam. Copy all your project to the second computer. This is all things we just made in the first PC. Now press play to test it. On one PC, press button create lobby. A lobby was created. You can watch lobby ID to check it. On second PC, press play. Click button join lobby. You can see, it can find a lobby that was created from another PC. Open script use Steam Network. After you searched and found some lobbies, you can join it now with event join lobby with ID. After joined in a lobby, it will start host and client to connect them. Copy this event to use it. By the way, the list you received after searching. With each item in this list will be a lobby. So we can use this event to get lobby ID from a lobby of the list. I will copy join an event with the lobby event too. Paste them here. Let's pick random lobby from the list. This item will be a lobby. We can use this event to get lobby ID from a lobby. After have a lobby ID you want to join, add it into event join lobby with ID to join in this lobby. On first PC, create new lobby. And on another PC, click button join lobby. It found a lobby and joined into this lobby. The lobby ID is the same with lobby ID of first PC. The ping is good. Steam has the connection a lot faster than Unity Lobby. And free relay, free bandwidth completely 100%. I recommend to use Steam at this moment to make game online. Before you join in or searching any lobbies, you need to check if this player was disconnected from last game or not. If true, just call lobby reconnect to reconnect him back to the game. We have events to check his reconnection here. Let's copy to these events. Open our script. As instruction, we should check it before searching lobbies. Paste them here. After click button join, let's check if player is disconnected from last game. If he was not, just do search lobbies and join as normally. And if he was disconnected, we need to call lobby reconnect. After he reconnected back to his game, this will trigger successful. If reconnect failed, you can do search lobbies again and join another game. That's it, very simple, right? For players to be able to reconnect back to the game, it required that lobby must be locked. We have event lock lobby here. Copy it. Open our script. Put it anywhere you want. Create button click for button lock lobby. We need to add the lobby ID into. You can get the current lobby ID that player has joined here. Add it into. Make sure you check this true to lock it. I have a text object here to show message on the screen. After lobby is locked, let's print out some message on the screen. Copy all the script to your second computer and test it. On first PC, create a lobby. On second PC, get player search and join in our lobby. Second player has joined in. Now, let's lock the current lobby to start the game. While the game is playing, player 2 suddenly has been disconnected. And after a while, he is back to game. Now if he clicked on button join, he can reconnect back to his game, because the game is still playing and host is still there. Player 2 has been reconnected successfully. Reconnect client is super easy. How about if host is disconnected? When host is disconnected, all clients in this lobby will be kicked out of the room and disconnected also. When host is disconnected, we have two choices here. Can host reconnect? If you select Can host reconnect is false. After host disconnected, all clients will be disconnected too. And if you selected Can host reconnect true, next client will be the new host. All other clients and old host will be reconnected to this new host, for the game can keep playing. When the host is left or disconnected, this event will be triggered. If transfer new host is processing, picking new host will trigger. It will occur when you select Can host reconnect is true, and the lobby is locked. After client has become a new host, this output will trigger. Other clients will reconnect to new host as client. In some reasons, transfer host or reconnect is failed. Output on quit will be triggered, and the game should be ended. Let's copy this event to use. Open our script. I will put it next to event create lobby. Make sure you selected Can host reconnect. Now if host is left, this event will trigger. Show message on screen to tell that we are picking new host. After client is successful to become a new host, this output will trigger. This output will trigger when a client reconnected to this new host. And if it failed to reconnect, you can show some message like this. Enemy has surrendered and you win. Most of popular online games they do the same thing. Before running the test, let's check how many players in lobby and their information. Whenever a player joined in or has left, this lobby information will be updated. And we can use this event to see members' Steam ID in this lobby, and how many available slots has left. Copy 2 of these to use. Open our script. Paste it anywhere you want. Button click event to get lobby information. I created button get lobby to get the current lobby information. Copy its name into. After button is clicked, let's print out all members' Steam ID in this lobby. And print out the total of available slots currently. We have finished everything we need in a multiplayer game. As you see, it's very simple. Copy the script to all second and third computer to test. On first PC, we create a lobby and become a host. If you click on button Get Lobby Information, all members in lobby will show up. On second PC, get player to join in random lobby. And third player will join in as well. Let's check current lobby information again. We have 3 players in this lobby already. For players can reconnect if they are disconnected, we must lock the lobby first to start the game. Now while the game is playing, host is suddenly disconnected. Second PC, it became to a new host right away. And third PC, he reconnected to new host as a new client as well. Transfer new host is successful. Now old host was back to the game. He will reconnect to the previous game as a new client. Same as event client reconnect we did earlier. The total number players in this lobby is 3 now. All players were reconnected back to the disconnected game. You can find the exactly script in this video, in folder macro Steam Network. Put this script into and press play. It will work immediately. If you have any questions, please let me know with comments. Thank you for watching.